So the story of Columbus Foods begins exactly 100 years ago in 1917 when two Italian immigrants came to San Francisco hoping to start a better life. They started making salami out of a two-bedroom flat in North Beach, an area of San Francisco legendary for its Italian roots, culture, and food scene. They would actually use the city's famous fog to age their meat to perfection and ended up making an exquisite new variety of salami unique to the Bay Area. We call it Italian dry salami. Our craft is all about doing it the right way. It's respecting the traditions and the time-honored ways of doing something. Being from the San Francisco Bay Area, we believe in using only the finest ingredients. That means using premium whole cuts of 100% pork, carefully chosen spices, and of course, California red wine. We've been stubborn for over 100 years about not changing the recipes of our products, but one of the changes we are making is converting to meat from animals raised without antibiotics. Making craft meats and sourcing quality ingredients takes more work, but it's the right way, and so it's the only way we do it.